Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this part, we will continue learning decorating tips, packaging ideas, and ways to make your cake pops look more professional. Let's continue learning together. Chilling your cake spheres before the candy dip. Temperature control is the most overlooked part of making sweets that look like lollipops. You need the cake balls to be firm, but they shouldn't be frozen solid. If the cake is too cold, the warm candy coating will crack as it cools and shrinks. Ideally, you should place your prepped cake balls in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour. If you're in a hurry, 20 minutes in the freezer usually does the trick. You want the spheres to feel cold to the touch and hold their shape when handled. Cold cake helps the candy coating set quickly, which prevents it from dripping down the stick and creating an elephant foot at the base. Just remember to take the tray out of the fridge a few minutes before dipping so they aren't at an extreme temperature. Decorating techniques to give your cake pops that candy finish. To make your cake pops look like authentic lollipops, you need to use high-quality candy melts. These come in every color of the rainbow, from cherry red to electric blue. Pick colors that mimic the vibrant, translucent look of hard sugar candy. When you melt the wafers, make sure the consistency is thin enough to flow like heavy cream. If the coating is too thick, simply add a teaspoon of vegetable shortening or coconut oil to thin it out. When you dip the cake pop, do it in one single motion. Submerge the entire ball until it meets the stick and covers that glue seal from earlier. Pull it straight up and hold it over the bowl at a slight angle. Instead of shaking the stick, which can loosen the cake, gently tap your wrist with your other hand. This vibration helps the excess coating slide off, leaving behind a professional and smooth finish. Rotate the stick slowly as you tap to ensure the coating distributes evenly around the sphere. Decorating style. Visual effect. Best used for single solid color. Mimics classic cherry or grape suckers. Birthday parties. Swirled colors. Looks like gourmet marble lollipops. Weddings and showers. Clear glaze. High shine finish over white cake. Elegant events. Using a variety of colors allows you to create a beautiful assortment that looks just like a candy shop display. After tapping off the excess, place the stick into a foam block or a cake pop stand so the coating can dry without touching any surfaces. Using clear wrappers for an authentic lolly look. Packaging is the final touch that truly sells the lollipop illusion. Once the candy coating is completely dry and hard, wrap each pop in a small cellophane bag. These clear wrappers protect the treat and add that crinkly texture we associate with store-bought sweets. Secure the bottom of the bag around the stick using a colorful twist tie or a thin satin ribbon. If you want a more rustic look, use baker's twine in a contrasting color. These individually wrapped treats are ideal for gift baskets or party favors because they stay fresh and look incredibly polished. It also makes them much easier for guests to take home at the end of the night. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.